Hey, this Rat Nation, I'm Robert. Thanks for joining me. I'm in Emory, Texas, looking at some cool cars. If you like rats, rods, rust, you're gonna love this place. I found a really cool old truck. I want to talk to the man that owns that. Come in, Bob, let's talk about your old truck.
Yes, sir.
Bob, good seeing you, man.
Good seeing you.
Tell me a little bit about your truck.
It's a 63 model V61 Mack truck. And I found it in a dairy barn up in New Boston, Texas.
You're from the...
I'm from this area, yeah.
Yes, sir.
A little town called Edgewood, just south of here.
Yeah.
And I actually wanted to build one for about 25 years.
Right.
But I couldn't find the body I wanted, so I finally found the body, and then we heard about that competition that I was telling you about.
A build-off.
A build-off competition. And it was open build, whatever you want to build. Didn't matter.
That is so cool.
And they allowed you 5 months to build it. And I work a full-time job.
There you go.
So
in this segment of the people behind the rods, I thought it would be interesting to talk to Bob about his truck. Not only did he say it was a build-off and he built it, but he built it in his garage, right?
Yes,
you told me it's an old barn.
Old barn.
And I'm going to get out from in front of this camera and get behind it, and Bob's going to do a little walk and talk. He's going to talk to us about his truck. It's cool. All right, Bob, let's go. Hey, what a cool truck. Cool front end. Mostly original, right, Bob?
Yes, sir. Yeah. It's, well, you know, I made the bumper.
Yeah.
The grill's not original. I didn't like the original grill, so I made it a little different. But basically, everything else is original body.
I love it.
I
know you told me a little bit about the running gear you got.
Yeah, it's a 97 Dodge. It's a 12-valve Cummins, automatic transmission, disc brakes. It's just I want to kind of say a little deal here.
Yeah.
That was kind of neat. When we put it together, I couldn't put the radiator and the cooler out of the Dodge because it was too big. So I had to find one that would fit in this grill shed.
Right.
And I hunted and I hunted and I hunted, and I finally found a combo that's side by side out of an International DT 466 truck, big truck.
Sir.
This thing holds about 18 gallons of water and antifreeze.
You know, that's why we do these stories behind the rods, because it gives inspiration to others to get out and do this.
Yeah.
You know, you found parts, junkyard, salvage yard, you find parts, put them together, put them in a cool truck, and this is a dependable driver, isn't it, Bob?
Yes, sir. I drive it regularly.
You told me how far you've been in it.
Well, I've been in 6 states in it. I've had it running about 3 years, and I think I've put close to 10,000 miles on it.
And get plenty of attention on the way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we'll back out and walk around this thing.
I hear lots of stories about my dad drove one.
Yeah, exactly. It has a lot of personality, don't it?
Yeah. It's
Let's take a look on the inside.
Hey man, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
It's just pretty simple. It's nothing fancy. I built the steering column for it.
You know, Bob, a lot of people ask me that they just can't seem to ever get started or just can't seem to get this done. But these cars in this year and this model are pretty simple compared to what we have today on the road.
Yeah.
So you get in it, take it apart, and work it, right?
Yeah. There was actually a computer on this one, it ran very few things on the Dodge that I took apart. And I took the computer off of it and done it manual, and just kind of went from there.
Talk to me about the exhaust pipe.
Yeah, that had to be on it. They're 4-inch square tubing, thick walls, and then it's got a 6-inch manifold that runs across here that they're welded onto.
Built into the bed.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yeah. And then we built the bed. The fenders are 8-foot metal, 26 inches wide, and we rolled the fenders.
I noticed you got a 5th wheel hookup in it.
Yeah, just that big truck has to have that.
Got to pull something.
Yeah, nothing else. It's just a then we just one of them deals where the fuel tank. I don't know if you noticed, there's a door in each one of them at the back.
I didn't, but I see it now.
This one here is the battery box. The batteries for the truck's in this fuel tank.
I got you.
The other one over there is just for storage. But we, and then of course, to be able to put the 22.5 tires and wheels on it, we had to get adapters to go from the 8 lug to 10 lug. Couldn't have it with little tires and wheels on it. Got to be the big truck.
Got to be big.
Yeah, you know.
Texas style.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I'll do a little. This is just a storage. You know, it's just a storage box made out of the fuel tank.
Conversion.
Carry a suitcase in there.
Yes, it is.
We put the chains on it just for look, just kind of make it. People ask questions.
Yes, yes, yeah. You know, it's original, a personality trailer truck too. We'll take a look on the inside from here.
The air horn actually works on it. That is the original air horn off of it. It's got the original cab lights. We took the cab lights apart because they wouldn't work. So we took them apart and we bought the license plate. Tagged, you know, light, took them apart and made the cab lights work and everything.
Cool. Let's get a shot of the cab up here. I love it.
In the competition we done, build off, we ended up second place out of the deal. Out of
Man,
third.
that's great.
So we was.
You was telling me you only had 5 months to build it,
yes,
right?
sir. They allowed us 5 months, and I work a full-time job.
There you go. Bob, you know, this is a special truck, even though that's, I know it took you a while, but these are one of those things they don't get away from. You're going to drive it forever.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what we talk about. It's the personality, too.
I've got a 30 model sedan. It's a sweet car. It's a finished car. And it sits in the shop. This in the garage, and I drive this one.
I hear that every day. People will say they'll get in their old rat and go everywhere in it.
Yeah.
It's special. You don't care if a kid gets in the back of it.
No,
Kids love it.
I encourage them to get in there and sit down and let their parents take a picture.
Bob, I appreciate your time. You got a beautiful truck. Thank you for showing it to us today.
Thank you very much.
Hey, man, you seen a cool truck. This is Rat Nation. I appreciate y'all being here. What a cool truck. Subscribe to us today on Rat Nation. Like us on Facebook. You're going to love it. If you love rats, rods, rust, or cool cars, you're going to love this. We'll see you next time down the road on Rat Nation.